Welcome to 1142 Ellis Avenue. This is a 1 full bath, nicely updated duplex in Orangeburg, convenient to downtown Orangeburg, I-26, as well as just a 45-minute drive to Columbia. So we are right inside of the living room, right inside the unit. Started the video from inside today, but you can see right outside you have parking in the front. There's sort of a circular driveway that comes around. Parking, definitely enough space for at least 2 vehicles out front for the unit. And again, it is part of a duplex. So right inside you can see the unit has been nicely updated with some wood look vinyl flooring throughout. And you have a ceiling fan, I believe, in the living room and all the bedrooms as well. But you can see a nice sized living room here off the entry, a couple of windows out towards the front. And the bedrooms and bath are on our left, but straightforward. You have the kitchen. So a nice efficient kitchen with an included refrigerator and electric range. Good countertop and cabinet space along the wall there. And then you have this separate laundry and utility room at the back of the kitchen right before you get outside as well. So a nice space here, as you can see, with some built-in shelving, nice window, and space for a full-size washer and dryer side by side. And then you have access, of course, to the shared backyard space. So you can see it's just nicely, there's a nice mature tree back there and sort of some privacy hedge. Also just some grass out back. And there's a small patio out there as well. So right back inside. Again, on the our right, you have the bedrooms and bath. So here's the first of two. This one faces the rear of the unit. So on the back right corner, you can see it has one closet here on this wall. And it does go back behind the door just a little bit. There's an attic pull down in the hallway here. There may be some storage up there. Possibly the full bathroom, the 2 bedrooms share, is between those two. So you have some nice lighting, medicine cabinet, single vanity, and a shower and tub. And you have a nice surround in the shower and tub, a couple of just built-in ledges for soap and shampoo and that kind of thing. And then your other bedroom on the front left side of the home. And this one has 2 closets, but again does have a ceiling fan as well. So that does complete our tour of this property in Orangeburg, 1142 Ellis Avenue. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.